Corky Clark on our beautiful 48-foot catamaran Surprise. This is Captain Cork, very accomplished, and I'm first mate, gourmet chef Sue. For 27 years we owned an adventure travel company taking customers canoeing, kayaking, backpacking, and skiing from New England to Central and South America. In 2005, we sold that business and bought Surprise, which we have sailed and chartered up and down the East Coast from Maine to the Bahamas every year.
We are thrilled to own Surprise. She is a marvelous yacht and very comfortable. She's also very fast and a high-performance boat. If you're interested in catamaran sailing, this is truly the boat to sail on.
This January, we moved into Stuart, Florida, and Sail Surprise is now based in South Florida, the Keys, and the Bahama Islands. It's a thrill for us to share our love of outdoors on board our comfortable, high-performance vessel. So come join us for a good time cruise.
We hope you join us. Thanks.